Hi, today we are going to see a new technology that is MongoDB. It should be pronounced as MongoDB, not MangoDB. Already I have created enough videos for Informatica on Oracle. I think you might have gone through my videos. Okay, what is MongoDB? MongoDB is a document database. It can be installed either locally or it can be hosted in the cloud. I think you might have studied RDBMS. RDBMS means Relational Database Management System. I assume that everybody knows about it. Okay. We can store data in separate tables in RDBMS. In RDBMS, data is stored in the form of rows and columns. Whenever the data is needed, it is queried from various tables by using the SQL, that is structured query language. If you want data from multiple tables, means we will be using joins. Equi join, non-equi join is there, then outer join, full outer join, like this. So many things are there in the RDBMS. Okay. And MongoDB is a document database, already I told. It is a non-relational database. It is opposite to RDBMS. So no need to worry about that. We cannot store our all relational data in the document database. We can store relational data also in this MongoDB. Here, data is stored differently. It is not stored in the form of rows and columns. Here, it is stored in the tabular format. Okay. Here, data is stored in the flexible document. Instead of having the multiple tables, here we can keep all your related data together. In RDBMS, data is scattered in various tables. That means we will be storing data in tables. Here, data is stored in a single place, so reading of data is very fast. Here also we can have multiple groups. Okay. In MongoDB, tables are called as collections. This is a brief introduction about the MongoDB, and I will be creating videos of concepts in MongoDB. Various things are there. I will try to create some videos in the for the MongoDB technology. Okay. I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.